Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing well today. Today we are going to learn about days of the week. Now let's begin. Do you know there are 7 days in a week? Yes, 7 days. Can you tell me what they are? Now that we know there are 7 days in a week, let's learn what they are. Let's begin with the first day of the week. First day of the week is called Sunday. Can you repeat after me? Sunday. Yes, Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Second day of the week is Monday. Now, repeat after me. Monday. Yes, Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Third day of the week is Tuesday. Can you repeat after me? Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Fourth day of the week is Wednesday. Now repeat after me. Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Fifth day of the week is Thursday. Can you repeat after me? Thursday. Yes, Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Sixth day of the week is Friday. Now, can you repeat after me? Friday. Yes, Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Seventh or last day of the week is Saturday. Now repeat after me. Saturday. Yes, Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Now repeat after me. First day of the week is called Sunday. Second day of the week is Monday. Third day of the week is Tuesday. Fourth day of the week is Wednesday. Fifth day of the week is Thursday. Sixth day of the week is Friday. Seventh or last day of the week is Saturday. Okay friends, that's all for today. Let's see you all on the next video. Thank you.